Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is JP and this is Wander to Get Lost, and in today's episode we are going to be changing out our headlights and our high beams with some new bulbs, and hopefully this will fix the lack of brightness that we have with our headlights. So join us in a minute or a couple of seconds. What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost. Alright, so they promised it was going to be 46 degrees and warm today. It's not. So I'm going to do this quick. So, for anybody who's wondering, I went to AutoZone and picked up these bulbs. These are the Silverstars by Sylvania. They said these should be super bright. They're not the most expensive ones, but they're better than the crappy ones that probably came with this. They're also the H9. I don't know if you can see that. Those are the ones that you need to fit a 2008 Winnebago Sightseer 35J headlights. So the headlight glass or the plexin or whatever plastic covers, they're still clear, so they're good. Nothing wrong with that. We're just changing bulbs, easy peasy. So this is the old bulb, and there's the connector. It's got 3 connects, 2 on each side, 1 on the back, and then it's got 2 metal pins and 2 plastic sleeves. So that's what we're going to be changing out. I don't know, hopefully you can see, it's kind of dark in the RV in here in the engine bay, but this is your light bulb. This is the bright. This is the one I disconnected. That's our driving light already. I don't know if you can see that, and it goes basically twists into here. So this has a push fitting and a twist. It's got a rubber seal gasket on it, so all you're going to do is push a little bit, twist, and then it pulls right out. That's it. And then you can see on here, you just got to release each clip on the side. I used a little flathead screwdriver for that. Just pop those off, and then this will slide right out, and you can see there's the rubber gasket around it. This is looking pretty worn, so I'm going to leave that in for now so I don't get confused. So I'm going to replace this one first. All right, let me get this in here. So here's my new bulb, and we're just going to get this lined up. There's the clip on the back, and that's it. Look at that, easy. Now we're just going to do the same thing. Line this up with the hole. Push, and then twist. Just make sure that you'll feel it click. Not like, you won't hear an audible click, but you'll actually feel it go and seat itself in there. So that's in. And there's the new bulb. Alright, Aurelia's back from her sleepover. I'm going to do the other 3 bulbs and I'll show you when they're done. But that was pretty simple. Alright, as you can see, that was about 5 minutes. Here are the old bulbs. So we are all changed out. So I got new high beams and new driving lights. So we're all set. Super easy. I'll see if Amazon has these in their store, and I'll link it to our affiliate store in case you want to just pick them up off of Amazon. But I got these out of AutoZone. I think they were like $47.99 for a 2-pack. So yeah. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Stay warm. Woo!